Welcome back. Today, we're turning your Android phone into a cybersecurity learning lab. We're exploring 15 free Android hacking apps, tools for ethical hacking and penetration testing, all for educational use only. Think of this as your roadmap to hands-on network security, using just your phone. We'll cover everything from network scanning to packet sniffing, and even turning your phone into a bootable Linux drive. Whether you're a student, IT pro, or just curious, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is Zanti, often called the Swiss Army knife of mobile penetration testing. This powerful app brings a wide range of security tools right to your fingertips, all packed into a single, easy-to-use platform. Its user-friendly interface makes complex network assessments simple. Just scan a Wi-Fi network, instantly map out all connected devices, and quickly check for vulnerabilities that could put your data at risk. With Zanti, you can simulate real-world attacks, test the strength of passwords, and generate detailed reports that highlight weaknesses and offer actionable fixes to improve your network's security. It's like having a professional security consultant in your pocket, making it perfect for beginners who want to learn and for experts who need quick results. The app automates many tedious steps, freeing you up to focus on understanding how attacks work and how to defend against them, making the learning process much more engaging. Remember, only use Zanti on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized use can have serious consequences. It's a powerful tool, so always use it responsibly and ethically to protect yourself and others. For anyone interested in network security auditing, Zanti is a fantastic starting point that makes learning both accessible and practical. Next up is CSploit, a truly advanced and versatile toolkit designed for cybersecurity enthusiasts and professionals alike. What sets CSploit apart is its seamless integration with the powerful Metasploit framework, enabling serious penetration testing right from your mobile device. With CSploit, you can easily map your entire network, fingerprint connected hosts, and even launch a variety of exploits directly from your phone, making it a portable powerhouse. But CSploit doesn't stop at basic scanning. It empowers you to perform advanced man-in-the-middle attacks, sniff out passwords, and craft custom network packets for deeper analysis. This hands-on tool is perfect for those who want to move beyond automated scripts and really dig into the mechanics of real-world hacking techniques. While the learning curve is definitely steeper, mastering CSploit provides a direct bridge to professional-grade tools and skills used in the cybersecurity industry. You'll be able to find vulnerabilities, launch targeted exploits, and truly understand the step-by-step mechanics of cyber attacks, all from the convenience of your phone. For anyone serious about learning ethical hacking, CSploit is an essential app to explore and master. Always remember to use these powerful tools ethically and only on networks where you have explicit authorization. Third is Hackcode, a collection of reconnaissance tools for the info-gathering phase of ethical hacking. Use Google Hacking, WHOIS, DNS lookups, and vulnerability scanners to gather intel on targets. It's all about learning how attackers collect information before striking. Hackcode is essential for mastering the fundamentals of recon. No flashy attacks, just pure information gathering. A great way to start thinking like an ethical hacker. Number 4 is DroidSheep, a tool that demonstrates session hijacking on open Wi-Fi. It intercepts unencrypted session cookies, showing how easy it is to take over accounts on unsecured networks. This eye-opening demo highlights why public Wi-Fi is risky and why VPNs matter. Only use DroidSheep on your own devices for educational purposes. Set up a test account, see the vulnerability in action, and understand the real-world risks. It's a powerful lesson in network security. Never use it on networks or accounts you don't own. At 5, we have Nmap, the gold standard for network discovery and security auditing. Scan IP ranges, discover devices, services, and operating systems, and use powerful scripts for deeper analysis. The Android version brings pro-level scanning to your phone. It's command-line based, but learning Nmap is invaluable for any cybersecurity path. Mastering Nmap teaches you how networks communicate and how to probe them systematically, essential for anyone serious about network security. Number 6 is Kali NetHunter, a full mobile penetration testing platform based on Kali Linux, designed specifically for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts who want powerful tools on the go. With NetHunter, you can install and use hundreds of industry-standard tools like Nmap, Metasploit, and Wireshark, all directly on your phone, making it a truly versatile toolkit for security testing and ethical hacking. You have the flexibility to choose between the App Store, rootless, or full versions, each offering different levels of access and customization, so you can tailor your experience to your technical comfort and needs. NetHunter essentially transforms your smartphone into a portable hacking lab, giving advanced users the freedom to run complex security assessments and penetration tests from anywhere, anytime. While the setup process can be a bit technical and may require some patience, it's absolutely worth it for those who want the ultimate mobile toolkit for aspiring penetration testers and security researchers. If you're just starting out, begin with the App Store or Rootless Edition to get familiar with the basics before diving into more advanced features. With Kali NetHunter, this is the closest you'll get to having a full-featured hacking laptop right in your pocket, ready for action whenever you need it. 7th is Wi-Fi WPS WPA Tester, designed to check if your Wi-Fi's WPS protocol is vulnerable. It tries default and calculated pins to see if your network can be breached, even with a strong password. Run it on your own network for a wake-up call about WPS vulnerabilities. If you're at risk, disable WPS in your router settings, a simple, effective way to close a common security hole. At 8, Fing is the go-to app for network scanning and device discovery. Instantly see every device on your Wi-Fi, with details like IP, MAC, and manufacturer. Fing also offers port scanning, ping, traceroute, and speed tests. It's intuitive and perfect for beginners mapping out their network. Before any assessment, use Fing to understand what's connected, spot unknown devices, and monitor your network's health. The essential first step in any security audit. Number 9 is AndroRat, an Android remote administration tool. It lets you remotely control your own test device, access logs, messages, location, and more. AndroRat demonstrates the power and risks of mobile malware. Use it to understand permissions and the dangers of Trojans. Only experiment on your own devices for educational purposes. A hands-on lesson in mobile security threats. 10th is Network Mapper, a user-friendly GUI for Nmap. Run scans, discover hosts, open ports, and vulnerabilities with just a few taps. The app shows you the Nmap commands it runs, helping you learn the syntax. Start with the GUI, then transition to command line mastery. It's the perfect bridge from beginner to intermediate network scanning. Powerful results, minimal learning curve. Number 11 is Termux, a full Linux terminal and environment for Android. Install thousands of Linux packages, including classic hacking tools, right on your phone. No root required, just a command line and endless possibilities. Learn to install, manage, and run tools from the terminal. SSH into servers, set up web servers, or automate tasks with scripts. Termux is a blank canvas for building your own mobile hacking lab. It's the foundation for serious technical learning, a must-have for anyone wanting real hands-on experience. 12th is Packet Capture, a mobile-friendly packet sniffer. It captures all network traffic on your device, no root needed, thanks to a local VPN. Analyze requests, responses, and even decrypt SSL TLS traffic for deeper insight. See exactly what data your apps send and receive. Learn to read packet captures, the language of the internet, essential for debugging, analysis, and understanding network communication. A powerful tool for demystifying how data moves online. 13th is Wi-Fi Analyzer, perfect for visualizing Wi-Fi networks around you. See channel graphs, signal strength, and network details to optimize your own Wi-Fi. Identify crowded channels and rogue access points. It's essential for reconnaissance and improving network performance. Before testing security, use Wi-Fi Analyzer to map the wireless landscape. Simple, effective, and a must-have for any toolkit. 14th is USB Cleaver, a tool for demonstrating physical access attacks. Plug your phone into a computer, and it can silently extract saved passwords and system info. It's a lesson in the dangers of juice jacking and trusting USB devices. Only use USB Cleaver on your own machines for awareness and education. See how quickly data can be exfiltrated with a simple USB connection. Physical security matters as much as network security. 15th is DriveDroid, which turns your phone into a bootable USB drive. Store Linux ISOs and boot any computer directly from your phone. Carry multiple operating systems for penetration testing, forensics, or recovery. No more juggling USB sticks. Your phone is your universal boot device. DriveDroid is a must for field techs and ethical hackers, the ultimate portable toolkit for live audits and recovery. That's 15 powerful Android apps to jumpstart your cybersecurity journey. Your phone is more than a gadget. It's a portable lab for learning and defending. Use these tools ethically on networks and devices you own or have permission to test. The goal: learn, defend, and make the digital world safer. What are your favorite security apps? Did I miss any essentials? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you next time.